Hi, it's Lori Scherer with the Scherer Team here with my partner.
Dan Karp with the Karp Group.
And guess what? We are experiencing a lot of cars coming into our area with different state plates. This is the time of year that we start to see our friends from the north coming to join us here in Florida. So if you know somebody, or if you are what we call a snowbird or a snowflake, and have a home locally here that you are getting ready to start enjoying, we wanted to just talk a little bit about how you can protect your home during the months that you're not here. And homes require some maintenance and some upkeep, as you probably know. And many of our clients that are snowbirds utilize the services of a house sitter. And the house sitter has an important job to make sure that everything is in order, that nothing is running rampant that shouldn't be, like, the 4,000 aunts that decide to throw a party and a rave party there and invite all their friends. And other things like toilets leaking or a roof leak or a lot of other things. We have resources to give you a referral to work with a great house sitter. And it's important that you take care of your home.
Yeah, I think taking care of your home while you're not in the home is important. You need to trust somebody to manage that and maintain it and really be proactive. Even to the point where if there's a project you want to do when you leave town, or that you're coming into town, like updating a bathroom, a kitchen, who's going to manage that for you while you're away? So we have resources who do that. And I think there are really three types of homes that fit into this bucket. It could be a primary resident, it could be an investment property, it could be a vacation home. And all three homes, they're still a home and they still need to be maintained. It's really important to find somebody who you trust, who can manage, maintain, and really proactively share with you what things need to get done in the home to make sure that you don't have surprises when you get back that are going to cost exponentially more money, be much more of a headache. And if you could take care of it in advance, it's a great thing to accomplish.
So again, we're not just here to sell a home with you, whether it's a seller or a buyer. We're here to be with you through the process for any of your housing needs long term. Thanks for listening.